So I've had a question that I've wanted to ask you for a long time. Hi.
If we could ask, just with the amount of time that we have, if you have any questions, if you could put it in the chat, and if we have time, we'll do our best to get to it. Otherwise, we'll be able to get the answer for you one way or the other.
Do you want to read us some questions from the chat? If there's like a couple that keep repeating, or
I can, if you want to do that now, or if you want to save that for the end.
Oh, well, you're the boss here.
So we can do some of that at the end, but just put it in the chat, just so that we can moderate the time a little bit. Does that sound good? All right. There are a number of audience questions, but I think there are two of them that would be nice to address before I close. One of them is from Orlee Z, and she's asking, what recommendations do you have and or tools to be employed for combating anti-Semitism online?
Ooh.
Is it worthwhile to engage?
That's an amazing question. The blanket answer that we have, no, there is no blanket answer. Usually, we feel that it does need to be addressed, any presence of anti-Semitism, whether it's on the street physically, whether it's a sign you see, or whether it's online. We've learned too many times that if you keep quiet, it doesn't go away. You know, it's not going to appease anybody, and the person's not going to get bored. When you keep quiet about anti-Semitism, about BDS, it just allows this horrible, horrible phenomenon to keep going and exacerbate, and somebody will see it online and will like this idea, and then it will disseminate. It's not always, and then depending what it is, sometimes, you know, we answer politely, or I think people should answer politely and give the right answer. You know, when we see this horrible thing online saying that Jews are somehow responsible for the spread, it's very easy to give the correct data and show that Jews are not responsible for the spread. But what I do suggest, if you see things online that are hateful, that are hate speech, that are anti-Semitic, sometimes you do not want to engage with a person, and that's totally understandable, but it is to let the managers of these of the different media that is the conduit to this, to let them know. And from what we've seen when we've approached, whether it's Facebook or Twitter or Reddit or you know, when we approached the managers, we've gotten responses quite quickly. And they are aware and they are looking themselves, but they're very receptive to listening if you see some hate speech or anti-Semitism online.